Welcome back, guys. Again, I am back with a video showing live 100% real payment proof from the Anglo-American website. In this video, I will show you the live withdrawal payment proof from this website. Before showing the payment proof, if you guys are new to this channel and haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end without skipping any part. So, let's start. You can see I currently have 340 rupees in my account. I will show you this amount by withdrawing from my IME Pay account. I had made a 340 rupees withdrawal request on January 16, 2024 at 2:48 p.m. and it was successfully processed after some time. After waiting for some time, I received a transaction notification on my mobile phone confirming that the payment has been successfully sent to your account. As you can see, I have successfully received the funds in my IME Pay wallet at 2024-01-16-4:05 p.m. I have successfully received a total of 660 rupees in my IME Pay wallet account from the Anglo-American website. You can view the proof of the successful transaction in my withdrawal statement records. Within 1 hour of time, I successfully received the payment from the Anglo-American website in my IME Pay account.
Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Don't forget to leave your comments and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for exciting videos coming soon. Thank you.